Hello guys, hello and welcome. I am live with another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the new card. As you can see here, I set up the title, which is new card visualization in Power BI. So let's start our tutorial, and in this tutorial we will explore the new card. This is the old card and this is the new card. So we will use the new card functionality. We will pick this feature from here and let's check it out. Okay, so I can take another card if I want to put, but what I will do, I would just simply click Control C, Control V, and Control V, and I have my three cards, right? And what I want to do, I want to group all three in one level. So what I will click on group and combine, and now it will move together, right? Like this. Okay. So let's start filling the data into it. So how we can add data? So in the first card, I want to add total sales, which is sum of sales, right? And in the second card, I want to add total customers. Okay, so not this, but not first, Western customers, right? And what I want to add over here is profit, yeah, which is great. So now I have, okay, so what I have is here some of the profit, count on customer ID, and there's an option of renaming over here. Let me just check. Yes, I can rename it, and I will just write it total customer. Let's see. So yes, so my label is going to change over here and there. I'll rename it. Simply double click total sales, right? And for this, total profit. So yeah, so this is basically the new cards, and to make it more good, this dashboard, I want to click maybe the line pusher. Okay, so I'll add it later. So let me just complete my things with the new card. So I think the label done, the call value done. So what I will do next, I will do its formatting. So yeah, so let's go on to the formatting. So yeah, I think that's look great. And this is the new feature that this new card has been given to us. And if I say call out, yes, all call out. Okay, and what I want to do, that's great. That's great, and that's great. Right. So we have total sales, total customers, and total profit. Okay, so let me just not the padding, not the ground. So we have three cards. So I think this is ungrouped, so I can move it. So this is my new card picture. If I want to make it smaller like this, but I don't want to make it smaller because I have some surprise for you right here. Okay, so explore more for the options. Okay, so mm, yeah, this also, this also. Okay, so million, thousand, and hundreds. So there is no need of no labels, no spacing. So if I increase the spacing, what happened? I think the what I removed it. So let's give it back. It will basically give the spacing between the label and the callout value, as you can see. Okay, so let's see this one. I like this one. For that, I like this one also. So yeah. So yes. So yes, I changed my theme a little bit. This is the new card visualization. So these are three cards, and these are the bar chart of month-on-month sales. But what I want to do, I want to add something which is deliverables, which is some sliders. Okay, so let's see. Color is this. So yeah, this is, and what I want to do, I want to do colors to deductibles, which is here, and hopefully their colors will be here too. So I think it needs to be white, it needs to be bold. Okay, so yes, this is my new card visualizations of a BI tutorial. So here is month-on-month sales, but I think that's not look good. Sum of sales. So what I want to do, I will go here and I just click on, let me see. Okay, not the y-axis, but you can close it out. You can close the title as well, or you can make the title better. Total sales. So you can break it there or there or in between or that color, but yeah, that works. So yes, this is new card visualization and this is their bar chart. I think that's color don't go with our scheme. So what I do, I'm gonna change it out. No, I want to differentiate it, so I think that's fine. So these were my three cards and these were my total sales month on month. So I hope you can explore more using new card visuals. You can give it shapes, you can align it in a better way. You can give the line graph as well in it, which I will add into the next tutorial.